dear viewers. Welcome to the news bulletin of December 2024. On 2nd December, we celebrated our Reverend Principal Sister Merlin's birthday, witnessing an thrilling assembly by Class 9B. The event began with the ceremonial lighting of the lamp, followed by a serene prayer dance to invoke God's blessings. Learning about Sister Merlin's remarkable journey, how at just 18 she embraced the divine power of God Almighty, dedicating her life to the convent and the congregation of Jesus. She is like an orchestra leader. The way she handles all the students with patience constantly motivates us to keep thriving. The program continued with spectacular dance performances and our melodious singers captivating the audience with their song. The students presented their token of love by gifting her their lovely wishes. The celebration concluded with Sister Merlin's gratitude, leaving us deeply moved by her humility and grace.
The Metaverse 360 virtual tour conducted in 3 phases, and the second phase was held on 3rd and 4th December. Utilizing cutting-edge Metaverse reality helmets, students embarked on an interactive journey through virtual reality platforms. Younger students, classes 1st to 5th, explored diversity of life, nature's wonderland, while seniors, classes 6 to 10, delved into history of the universe, the Big Bang to now. This innovation enables students to discover, learn and engage with complex concepts in an unparalleled manner. The Metaverse 360 virtual reality experience proved to be a unique and enriching adventure for our students.
On 4th December, our little SFCMs of UKGB, under the guidance of Miss Palak, embarked a noteworthy assembly on good habits, something that might seem small but holds the power to shape our lives. The early learners displayed an insightful assembly, sharing with us the importance of including good habits in our daily lives, which are minor yet meaningful actions.
Moving ahead, on 6th of December, the students of Class 3B, under the leadership of Miss Sherlin, beautifully depicted the assembly on the topic patience. Patience is the key to contentment. Through this assembly, the students were able to reflect on the importance of patience as it encourages resilience, mindfulness, and thoughtful actions.
On 7th December, a mental maths competition was conducted for classes 2nd to 5th. This cognitive math challenge was organized to enhance the critical thinking, logical reasoning, computation, insightful analysis, and calculation among the students.
10th of December is the Universal Human Rights Day. Our school celebrated this day meaningfully through an assembly by Class 7A put up under the guidance of Miss Ankita Soni. It was a thought-provoking and impactful assembly to illuminate the profound importance of human rights, the foundation of equality, dignity, and liberty, which unites all of us. The main highlight of the assembly was the skit, which challenged us to reflect on our role in combating prejudice and inequality.
On 11th December, Tiny Thoughts of UKGC, under the guidance of Miss Taran, illustrated elegantly an assembly on the topic honesty, a foundational virtue fostering trust, building respect and maintaining a commitment to truthfulness in all aspects of life, helping them to understand the value of honesty.
12th to 14th December brought great enthusiasm as our school organized the Scholastic Book Fair, which was a paradise for book lovers. It included books of all genres and age groups, which gave an insight to the efforts of our school in the overall development of the student. I'm sure most of us found the book of our search in those shelves, which rendered an expansion to our knowledge and creativity. On 13th December, the Friends of Mary Ward organized a delightful Christmas program for the children studying in evening school. The event was centered around the themes of love and gratitude, celebrating the spirit of togetherness and appreciation. The soulful dances, symphonic rhythms, and meaningful skit emphasized the true essence of the Christmas: love, empathy, and togetherness. Special thanks to the organizing teachers, Miss Geeta, Miss Shweta, Miss Chandana, Miss Gardner, and all the others that contributed to making the event a fantastic one.
On the evening of December 21st, the school management hosted a festive Christmas party for the teachers. The auditorium was beautifully decorated by the teachers, creating a magical Christmas ambience. The presence of Sister Veronica Furman CJ, General Superior, and Sister Estella Clara CJ, Vicar General, added to the joy and excitement of the celebration. The highlight of the evening was the reveal of the Christmas trends and the exchange of thoughtful gifts. The management also expressed their appreciation for teachers' hard work and dedication with a special Christmas gift. The evening was filled with laughter, games, and merriment as teachers took selfies with friends, sisters, and colleagues. The celebration culminated in a delightful fellowship meal, fostering a sense of community and camaraderie.
On 20th December 2024, our school welcomed Sister Veronica Furman CJ, the Mother General, and Sister Estella Clara CJ, the Vicar General, with a special morning assembly. The event began with a heartfelt prayer, followed by vibrant student performances that showcased our talents and deep respect for her. The highlight of the day was Sister Veronica Furman CJ's address, where her kind and motivating words left a lasting impact. She encouraged us to uphold our values, work diligently, and strive to make a positive difference in the world. It was a morning of inspiration and gratitude that will remain cherished by all. A joyous Christmas celebration was held for the SFCMs on 21st December, just before the winter break. Class 6A presented a meaningful assembly, followed by a lively carol singing competition that filled the air with festive rhythms. Students also participated in Christmas symbol making competition. The primary wing had their own celebrations on December 18th, featuring class assemblies and Christmas symbol making competitions. Both events successfully captured the essence of Christmas, spreading joy and cheer throughout. Students also celebrated sharing and caring activity by bringing groceries and winter apparel to the poor and needy as the winter was fast approaching. The little act of kindness of the students brought joy to the lives of the unprivileged of the vicinity.
This selfless act embodied the true spirit of Christmas, spreading love, joy, and warmth of those who needed it the most. On 30th December, Class 3rd C execute an instructive colloquium with its theme on time management under the seasoned guidance of Miss Rohini. This colloquium mainly reflected on temporal significance of time, its relevance in contemporary society, time streamlining tactics, productivity planning methods, and discipline techniques. This colloquium gave us a pragmatic scrutiny about time, that is, time is a storm in which we all are lost.
The school reopened on 30th and 31st December, with students bidding goodbye to 2024 and welcoming 2025, a new year filled with new possibilities. Being the last month of the year, it was full of amusement and co-curricular activities. As we bid adieu to 2024, we are here to celebrate this joyous season.